Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 35. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang Reconcile Period function under the Inventory Management module ng BIMS App. Ang Reconcile Period ay ginagamit para i-validate, i-recalculate at i-finalize ang inventory records for the current period. Ito ang process na ginagawa bago natin ituring na final ang inventory figures. Bago mag-reconcile, siguraduhin muna na complete at reviewed na ang purchased at issued transactions for the period. Check din ang inventory summary at periodic summary para makita kung may discrepancy sa balances. Kung ang physical count ng isang item ay iba sa system balance, gamitin muna ang Adjust Selected Item para mag-record ng authorized correction. Kapag ready na ang records, saka natin gamitin ang Reconcile Period. Sa Inventory Management page, pumunta sa Periodic Summary section. Dito makikita ang Reconcile Period button at ang Current Period status. Kung ang status ay unlocked, editable, pwede pang magkaroon ng authorized transactions at reconciliation. Click Reconcile Period. Magbibigay ang BIMS ng confirmation message na nagsasabing ang current period ay i-reconcile at ilalock ang inventory transactions. Review the message carefully, then click OK kung ready nang i-finalize ang period. After confirmation, automatic na gagawin ng system ang reconciliation process. Una, nire-recalculate ng BIMS ang inventory balances gamit ang recorded purchases and issuances. We intentionally created a transaction condition where QTI purchased was 18 and QTI issued was 19. The periodic summary showed a QTI balance of -1. When Reconcile Period was executed, hindi hinarang ng system ang process. Instead, BIMS recalculated the negative balance as part of reconciliation. Next, ina-apply ng system ang verified manual adjustments. These are corrections recorded through the authorized item adjustment process. For example, kung ang system balance ay 12 pero ang verified physical count ay 10, pwedeng gumawa ng item adjustment with the corrected quantity and reason. During reconciliation, the verified correction can then be applied to the official inventory balance. After the calculations and authorized adjustments are processed, BIMS updates the official inventory balances. Reconciliation activity and applied corrections are also recorded for audit tracking. This is important because inventory corrections should not simply change numbers without history. Kapag successful ang reconciliation, magpapakita ang BIMS ng confirmation. Makikita natin ang message that negative balances were recalculated, verified manual adjustments were applied, and the inventory period was successfully locked. After that, the period status changes from unlocked, editable, to locked, reconciled. This lock is an important control. Once the period is reconciled, purchase, issuance, and manual adjustment editing are disabled. This prevents accidental or unauthorized changes to inventory data that has already been finalized. This prevents accidental or unauthorized changes to inventory data that has already been finalized. Once unlocked, the inventory can again be corrected and later reconciled again. Remember, reconciliation should not be used casually. It should be performed only after the inventory transactions for the period have been reviewed. The correct sequence is review purchases and issuances. Check the inventory summary and periodic summary. If necessary, record authorized corrections through Adjust Selected Item. Then click Reconcile Period. Confirm the process. Let BIMS recalculate balances and apply verified adjustments. Then verify that the period status becomes locked, reconciled. The purpose of this process is not only to correct numbers. It is also to protect inventory integrity, preserve traceability, and make sure that reports are based on finalized inventory data. In summary, Reconcile Period performs 3 important functions. It validates and recalculates inventory balances. It applies authorized corrections, and it locks the period after successful reconciliation. That gives BIMS a controlled and audit-safe way of finalizing inventory records. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang Adjust Selected Item function, which is used when the actual physical stock count does not agree with the system balance. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to reconcile an inventory period in the BIMS app. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS app button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.